Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Brett update today. This is the very first video of Brett, and I do not really have an amazing comment about this. I think Brett is the best friend of Pepe. I don't know if that's what people are saying nowadays. And there's this meme community, man. A lot of meme coins have been surging up, and it has been overhyped at the moment. But now, let's talk about the reality and the flip side of things. If you zoom out, Brett had an incredible move right over here. Okay, we saw a move from there and up till here. So this is, how much is that? Just gonna zoom out a little bit, and we're gonna do this again. Okay, so if I take the measuring stick and I show you the measuring stick, all right, 483% move to the upside. That's pretty amazing. So I will keep my trading and my video straight to the point. Okay, when you have a run like this and a huge consolidation, this is known as price action, and price action is the language of a trader, just like music is the language of a singer. So when price action happen and then you have series of candles printing out, they combine to make a story, and the story is simply a descending triangle. Everyone should know this who is trading, and if you are a trader and you need patterns like this to trade, I would suggest you to be a part of Discord. And Discord right now, I've actually shared MOG. So if you're into Brett, if you know what Brett is, you might actually know what MOG is. And MOG has a rising wedge as well. Okay, so rising wedge, and then it might actually go to the downside. Now previously I've actually shared Pepe as well, and it actually went to the downside. Now what you're looking for, Brett, and by the way, if you want to be a part of Discord right now, check the comment section. You're going to find an invitation link. You can tap on that and you can enter Discord free of cost. What you want to see is a move back for the retest. So I'm actually expecting Brett to go back and retest the broken trend line. And you are going to see probably until September, Brett making it all the way down from there to there. And a technical target of nearly 0.05635 as your next technical target. So that you have an opportunity to trade almost 46% move to the downside. I may say just wait for that retest and you might have an amazing entry. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.